Tens of thousands of acres across the Lowcountry get passed down from generation to generation. The Center for Heirs Property Preservation helps to identify and secure title for hundreds of families and are now celebrating a milestone of their own. Joining us with an update is Dr. Jenny Stevens, CEO for the Center. Thank you for joining us. If you could please remind our viewers what the Center for Heirs Property Preservation does.
Well, Leyla, first of all, thank you for having me. The Center for Heirs Property Preservation is a nonprofit. We're located in Charleston County, but we are serving 22 counties across the state. And for those people who receive land that was passed down without a will and they own it jointly, we provide the education, legal services, and for those individuals who have sufficient amount of land, we are providing forestry technical assistance to them.
That's incredible. That's an enormous feat, and we're talking about the entire state. I can only imagine how much property is at stake. And so how does this help families? So once they've secured title, what does that mean? I know the 41 corridor there, there's a lot of talk about preserving land. Maybe you can talk just a little bit about what's going on over there.
So for Highway 41, we have worked with the Phillips community and the other settlement communities. We've provided them with educational seminars that would let them know what does it mean to own heirs property and how to resolve it. And I think that's key because it's also with heirs property, it's past that 10-year period. So it's more about resolution. But part of our job is to also prevent it by making sure that people are drafting wills. And we do actually conduct wills clinics in the community, which has been a little hard due to COVID. But it is about providing education so that landowners and families can make informed decisions about how to pass down their land and how to use it.
Pandemic be darned, you're moving full steam ahead. You are breaking ground on a new opportunity center. Tell us more about this.
So the Center for Heirs Property Preservation, along with its partners, Homes of Hope, Increasing Hope, and the South Carolina Association for Community Economic Development organization, we have gone into partnership to renovate the old furniture store on Rivers Avenue. And we've been fortunate that we'll do most of that with a grant from the Economic Development Authority. And we've had contributions from our local community foundation, Coastal Community Foundation, where it will be the home of our offices, but even more importantly, it will serve as a business incubator where it will promote entrepreneurship. You have to pause to say that word.
Yes.
Especially for women and for people of color, where they have skills, but they may not know how to put those skills into action to create a small business. And we just learned today that our partner, Increasing Hope, they were awarded a women's business center. So not only will it be a business incubator success center, but we'll also have a women's business center in there. So that's very exciting.
Congratulations on that. And its anticipated opening is this summer. And there's a fundraiser going on. Maybe you briefly can tell us about the fundraiser and how people can donate.
Right. So approximately the rehab project's about $8 million. And we've been fortunate that we only need about $600,000 more. We've had, as I said, gifts from Coastal Community Foundation, the Economic Development Authority. We've got a matching gift from the Sisters of Charity that we're trying to meet. So that $600 is really important for us to leverage those funds. And we've received grants from the Patrick Family Fund, the Rhodes Lee family, and Jean and Doris Hundley. So it has been a great initiative to work along with my other nonprofit partners to make this lasting impact. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention the city of North Charleston, who has been one of our key partners in this initiative. We all see how it impacts all of our constituents. And one thing, it'll be all located in one place.
Absolutely. Dr. Jenny, thank you so much. And of course, we'll share where people can place their donation. No doubt you will succeed. I want to thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Leyla, for having me.
We're back in 2 minutes.